Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Kia Smart Key battery. The battery you will need is a CR2032, very common one. You can click on the link below to get it online. This one is used for different models, different years, Stinger, Forte, Soul, Telluride and more. Pretty easy. So, first thing we do, we have to take the emergency key out, okay? So you have to push this button right here. Okay, and then to pull the key. Once again, push the button and you pull the key. Now we have to pull the cover. So see this space right here? Between right there. Okay, so what I do, I just take the key, put it in between, and I turn clockwise. Okay, then it pops off once again. Very easy, just put it in the right spot, right here. Put, push, and clockwise. There we go. We have the cover off. Now what we have to do is to take the battery out. So I use a flat head, just gently, okay, to pull it out. As I said, CR2032, okay? The plus sign up. This is a good battery, I will put it back in. And make sure it's fine, fits, all good. Now we have to put the cover back. Very easy. Emergency key back. And we're good to go. As you can see, it works fine. Let us know what you think. Thank you very much.